Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to discuss another Leetcode problem, and this problem is based on string. Okay, so now let's see the question. So the question is clear digits. Okay, so you are given a string S, and your task is to remove all digits by doing this operation rapidly. Delete the first digit and the closest non-digit character to its left. Return the resulting string after removing all the digits. Okay, so now let's see some examples for better understanding. Okay, so now let's see the example 1. So this is our input APC and output is also APC. Why so? Because as you can see in this particular string we don't have any number. That's why the output is same as input. Okay, but now let's see the example 2. So as you can see in this example 2, we have both numbers and alphabets or like letters, right? So now you can see here, like you can return this C also in your output and also this B, but you cannot return this 3 in your output, right? Because whenever you will get any number, remove the closest non-digit character, right? As you can see same in the question also, na? Like delete the first digit and the closest non-digit character to its left. Okay, so now you get 3, right? It means you have to delete this B, also this 3. Okay, so next, what will be the next string? After deleting B and 3, you will get C4, right? So again you will get 4. Again you have to remove this C. Why so? Because in this question it's mentioned that delete the first digit and the closest non-digit character to its left. Okay, and left side is this. It means you have to remove this C only. Okay, so I think this question is clear to you. So now let's see how we can solve this solution. Believe me, this solution is so easy. We have to use one collection. That collection name is stack. We have to use stack. Why so? Because in that particular stack we can store all the string characters. Okay, but when we are storing that characters in the particular stack, we will check that particular character is a number or not. If that particular character is a number, first we won't add that number in our particular stack, and also we will remove the stack peak element, right? Suppose you have this example, okay, C B3 4. We will store this same string in our stack. How you will store? You will store C and then B. So after B you will get 3. Okay, so whenever you will get any number, okay, then you have to remove the stack peak element. Okay, so what is the peak element? Is B. If you know, peak element is the last inserted element in a particular stack, right? After B you will get 3, right? And obviously this 3 is a number, and obviously we won't add this 3 in our stack. Okay, this is our first task. We won't add this 3 in our stack. And second, we have to delete the, what we have to delete? Delete the closest non-digit character to the left. Okay, and obviously this is the left side. Okay, so you have to remove this B. Okay, so as I have told you, I am storing this character in a stack. So this P is the peak element, right? Means if we use stack.peak, then obviously that peak method will give you this B, and then you can delete that B. Okay, so I think it's clear. So getting the 3, you will delete totally B, and also we are not adding the particular 3 in your stack, so there is no point of deleting that 3. So we will delete B from our stack. So next we have 4. Okay, and 4 again, so again 4 is a number, right? So we won't add that 4 in our stack, and again what we will do, we will remove the closest non-digit element, right? Now this C will be deleted. Okay, we will get one empty stack, and then at the end you can just convert this stack to a string, because you have to return one string. Okay, so I think the process is clear to you, means how we will solve this problem, right? So now let's see how we can solve this problem in Java. Okay, so like here I am explaining this question in Java, but you can understand the logic and you can implement the same code in any language like Python, CPP, or like Go and anything. So now let's see how we can solve. Okay, so first we will declare one stack, and of which type? Of character type, right? So stack. Okay, so now we will traverse this particular string. Okay, so char C, and we will convert this string to a character type array. Okay, so char to char array. Okay, and then what we can do, we will check if stack size is greater than 0. Okay, and also if particular character is a number, like if any particular character number, then that should be from 0 to 9. Okay, so then we will check the same 0 to ampersand, mean AND operator, C 9. Okay, else what we will do is we will simply add a particular character into our stack. Okay, so stack.push, if you can remember, for adding any element in a particular stack we have to use push method. Okay, so push and then the element you have to specify. Okay, you can use pick method to get the topmost element in a particular stack, but again you can use pop method also to delete the topmost element of a particular stack. Topmost element means I am saying the last inserted element. Okay, so now here what we will do, here we will just pop that particular character, right? So as I have described before, that if the particular character is a number, then what we will do, we will just popping out that previous character, we will pop. Okay, so now before popping is, I am also checking that particular stack size is 0 or not, otherwise it will give you exception. Why so? Because suppose your stack size is 0 and still you are trying to pop that particular stack, then obviously you will get like exception, right? So to avoid that exception, here I am checking that condition also, that the stack size is greater than 0. Okay, and now again we are checking that the character that we code is a number or not. To check the number or not, we are define this range from greater than equals to 0 to 9. Okay, from 9 less than or equals to 9. Okay, I think these two conditions are clear to you. So whenever we are getting any number, we will just popping out our topmost element of that particular stack. Topmost element means first inserted element. Okay, I think it's clear. Otherwise we will simply push that particular character. Okay, I think it's clear up to this. So this is the main concept that you have to know. So next is nothing. Next, just convert this particular stack into a string. Okay, string is, okay, no s, like s is already defined, so you cannot use s again, right? And then 4, it's nothing, I am just traversing that particular stack. Okay, char C, at the end we are just returning our resultant string. So now just run this code and let's see what happened. So okay, so to char array, okay, it is a method, not any attribute. Okay, it is accepted. Now submit this code. So after this, I will discuss the time complexity and space complexity. Okay. So here I have used, see, we are using two for loops only. It is not any nested for loops and all. So for any normal for loop, like they have only one iteration, there is no nested thing, then we will get order of n time complexity, right? Here we are not using any nested for loops. Okay. So that's why our time complexity is order of n and our space complexity is order of n. Why so? Because here I am using one extra space, that is stack. That's why our space complexity is order of n. I think these two concepts is already clear to you. Means why the space complexity is order of n and the time complexity is order of n. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.